In this video, you'll learn how to keep the chat list open in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple but effective way to stay connected to your conversations, respond faster, and keep your workflow organized and efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll see options like Activity, Teams, and Chat. Click on the chat icon to display your recent conversations. This section is where all your direct and group chats are managed, so it's important to get comfortable navigating it. One helpful feature to keep important conversations easy to find is pinning chats. This works great for chats you use often or need quick access to throughout the day. To pin a chat, move your cursor over the conversation you want to prioritize. Click the three dots next to it to open more options, then select Pin. The pinned chat will move to the top of your chat list so it's always visible. Pinning chats helps you stay focused on what matters most and reduces the time spent searching through less important conversations. To keep your chat list visible while working, make sure the Chat tab remains selected in the left sidebar, especially when using the desktop app. Keeping this tab active allows your chat list to stay open and accessible as you move between conversations. This setup helps avoid unnecessary interruptions and makes switching between chats quick and seamless. Your messages are always just a click away, making communication smoother throughout the day. By pinning important chats and keeping the Chat tab active, you can easily stay on top of your conversations in Microsoft Teams and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.